Hello students, so today our topic is about O-level accounting double entry system. So double entry system, we have a question arises in double entry system. For example, a bookkeeper prepared the following trial balance for alias business 31st August 2018. The trial balance did not balance. For example, the trial balance did not balance by the bookkeeper. So how we correct the trial balance? So we have to correct the trial balance step by step. For example, the revenue, the question is this: the debit and then credit. For example, the value is, there is dollar and there is dollar. So revenue is written in this 19600. So revenue, what is revenue? Revenue is our income. So income always written in credit. Income always written in credit. It is correct. The income is always written in credit. So it is correct entry. Purchase. Purchase $9,800. What is purchase? Purchase actually is our assets. Purchase is our assets. So whenever the assets increase, it is written in debit, and purchase is also whatever we purchase is our expense also. So inventory is written here at 730. This entry is not correct because in the question given, inventory at 1st August 2018 was 870. So opening inventory of 1st August 2018 should be recorded in trial balance. So opening, we have to record opening inventory, but this is closing inventory. In trial balance we did not record closing inventory, we record opening inventory. So this is wrong. This is wrong. And rent receivable. How many rent receivable? 400. So rent receivable is also our income. So it is not written in debit. Income is always recorded over here in this side. So it is also wrong. It is also wrong. Income is recorded here in this side. Rent payable. Rent payable is our expense. It is correct. Journal expense is 230. Is correct because expense is always recorded on the debit side. It's correct. Non-current asset and current assets always recorded on the debit side. So it is correct. It is correct. Provision for depreciation. Provision for depreciation. That is called allowance of depreciation. Provision of depreciation is how much? 3970. So whenever provision of depreciation it means the asset value is less. So whenever the asset value is less, it is recorded in the credit side. It is correct. And depreciation expense recorded in the debit side. Depreciation expense recorded in the debit side. And bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is our liability. So it is recorded here. So it is wrong. It is our liability. It is recorded on the credit side. So students, subscribe my channel Pakistan Free Education, in which I will give you O-level trainings, many trainings free of cost. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, press the bell icon. Motor vehicle expense. Motor vehicle expense. It is written, where it is written? It is written here. No, it's wrong. Expense is always written on the debit side. Expense is always written on the debit side. It is wrong. So what you do in correct trial balance, you record over here. Okay students, motor vehicle expense. Trade receivable. Trade receivable is our income. Trade receivable is our income. So income record on the credit side. It is also wrong. It is also wrong because income record on the credit side. There is trade payable. Trade payable. Trade receivable. Here, that is our asset. It is our asset, so it is correct. It is correct because it is account receivable is your asset, so it is correct. It is recorded on the debit side. Now trade payable is 1090. It is correct because liability is always recorded on the credit side. Capital is 9,000. So the capital is always, when increase, it is recorded on the credit side. It is correct. So students, how we solve this? You know, when the assets increase, it recorded on the debit side always. When the liability increase, it recorded on the credit side. When the expense increase, it recorded on the debit side. When the revenue increase, it records it on a credit side. When the capital increase, it recorded on the credit side. So this is our question number 1 in O-level accounting, that is called double entry system. You should learn these things, and you have to, whatever the incorrect, you have to put in the correct place. Okay students, you have to put in the correct place. So inventory 730 rupees. This is opening inventory. So we always write opening inventory. So opening inventory is 870. So you write over here 870, not 730. That is closing inventory. Closing inventory not written in the trial balance. So you write what you write. You write 870 over here. Okay, 870. Rent receivable is your income. So you write over here credit. Income is always, when I told you revenue income increase, it record in the credit side. Then what you do? What is the incorrect? Bank overdraft liability, it recorded here. Okay students. Then what is incorrect? Motor vehicle expenses recorded on the debit side. Whenever the expense increase, it recorded on the debit side. So you correct this trial balance, and the both balance total should be the same. Okay, subscribe my channel and learn all the O-level accounting. Thank you.